everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing this wig. Yes, finally. So I finally took out my short box braid, so now it's time to install the wig. I know you guys have been waiting for this video, so here it is. I'm gonna do it. All right, so before we start, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and also I'll put a link to the video on how I make this beautiful coily wig from scratch, so be sure to check the description box. Alright guys, so first thing, I'm gonna take off the wig from the mannequin and I'm gonna put it on to see, so that way I can show you guys the fit before going ahead to add in the elastic band. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, unpin this out. Alright, so I'm just gonna put her. Alright, I just ripped that off the stand. Oh boy. Alright, I'm gonna fix this later once I'm done with this video. It's weird. I don't know what happened. I think I grabbed it too hard, so it's just like. Alright. So back to the wig. So this is the wig right here, no elastic. I haven't added elastic band, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it on first before going ahead to add in elastic band and see how it fits before adding the elastic band. So I think before I do that, I'll go ahead and trim off the excess lace. Next, I'm gonna take the wig. This is weird. I don't want to mess up the coil, so I'm gonna do it this way. Alright. This is not straight hair. I can comb it if I messed up, so I need to make sure the coils are intact. Alright, so I know that I put it on the wig in a weird way, but it's worth it. Alright. So this how it's looking. I haven't added elastic band. I haven't added the foundation to the lace yet. But so far this has looking. It stays in place, but I want it a bit tighter. I want it to stay in place. Right now you can move wherever you want it to, but I just want more hold on the cap. So I'm gonna take this off and attach the elastic band. Actually, it looks good. But I still have to add elastic band just to kind of, so that way the work I will do to lay down the baby hair will be less. Okay, so I've already cut out the elastic band, so I'm just gonna place it back and see if it's right, if I need to to adjust the length, of course. All right, turn around. All right, this is the elastic band. With this is where it's gonna be without pulling it. So for you to get the tightness of the elastic band, you need to pull it and feel it. All right, remember, once you stitch it down, it's going to pull it back. So I'm going to show you one more thing once I sew down the elastic band. So that's if you cut it too long, you can actually adjust the length by sewing on this part right here, like fold it over after you attach it to the wig. So after adding your elastic band, if you try it on and it's a bit too loose, so what you need to do, you don't need to undo this in order to cut it. So actually the quick way, you can just hold this, find the middle of the elastic band. By doing that, you put the both points together like this. Okay, so you find the middle point, then you pinch it together. You can decide if you want the hanging part to be on the inside or the outside. It depends on you. For me, I'm just going to flip it over like this. Okay, again. So next, you want to take your needle and thread and sew it down. Okay, so once that is done, you want to go ahead and tie it to secure the thread in place. Just like that. Next, cut off the thread. So then there you go. So you've adjusted the length of the elastic band just by doing that. Alright, so I've added the elastic band. You can see right there. So next I'm going to go ahead and put the wig back on. Well, this should be tricky. I really don't want to mess up the coils because alright, first I'm going to put it on. Just the elastic band. This is how the wig is looking after adding the elastic band. As you can see, it stays in place, going nowhere. So for the back, I'm going to use a bobby pin to secure the back of the wig down. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and create baby hair, because you know, I like baby hair. So next I'm gonna take a edge control and lay down the baby hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and set that. I think the best way is to bring it from the back like that and just wrap it around and wrap it around. Okay, so that's not working right. Alright, swish hand and wrap it around and wrap around. And back to this is a struggle, guys, and all the way back. Alright, I want to mess up my makeup. Alright, so this is the installation video. No glue, no gel, no spray, magic. Nothing but just magical hairband. Alright, and I like the fact that it's flat. If I want it puffy, I can make it puffy just by raising it up like this, but I think it's perfect this way. And for the coils, if I want it more defined, if I want this more defined, I can just like spray water on it to just bring the puffiness down, but I think it's perfect. I don't want it too small, you know. Alright, that's good. You see what I'm doing right now? This is why the coils don't last a long time, because I'm always like this whenever I have coily hair, like all over it. Alright, that's it. Alright, so so I went ahead and switched up the style a bit. So right here I have like 2 braids going back and 1 coming towards the front right here. So for the braid coming towards the front, I use the colored rubber band and a little bit of the color on the front. I know this is kind of extra, but it's cute for pictures only. I'm not going and looking like this. This is just for pictures, all right? And for the video. Thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today, and I'll see you all in my next one. I should stop playing with the hair. I'm messing with the coils. Seriously. Seriously. I should stop whatever I'm doing right now. Just leave the hair alone. Leave it alone, Vivian. I can't. I want to stop, but I can't. Alright. For real this time.